My name's Chris Hedges. I'm Senior Marketeer at ThermoSphere. Building Lego as a profession and getting paid for it. Golf, lots of golf, any kind of sport, and obviously sort of collecting Lego. That's it. One of those remote controls from the film, I think it's called Click, where you basically can kind of like do the volume down thing on if people are talking a bit too much and that kind of thing, and pause on life and that kind of thing. That's what I do. Oh, good question. Friendly, dedicated, confident. A pint down the local pub, then I'll think about what I'm going to do with the rest of the money. Probably play a lot of golf and have a little holiday home somewhere and renovate it. You're opening a big can of worms with this question. What would I change? I think everybody just needs to be kinder to people. I think there's too much rubbish going on in the world, and nobody needs that. Life's stressful enough sometimes. Oh, it's going to be Sunday roast, all day, every day. You, John, just so I can get my own back on you filming me with doing this video. Yeah, I would invite you anyway, John. I would invite Seve Ballesteros, who was the world's best golfer. I would also invite the founder of Lego. You can see a theme here, and probably the landlord of my local pub to say thank you for all the beer. Golf, because it was probably the one that I was best at when I was younger, and even though I'm a lot older, I'm not going to say my age, I still think I'm as good as that I was when I was 18, but I know I'm not now. Oh, there's so many. Led Zeppelin is definitely up there. I loved Shed 7 back in the 90s. I'm definitely giving away my age. Any of those kind of Britpop indie bands, definitely my cup of tea. When I was 15, I think I was 15, I was awarded a local hero award for finding 8 abandoned puppies in some woods near where I lived. There you go, I'm a hero.
Thank you very much for your time, Chris.
No, thank you, John. What's an interesting fact?
This is Chris Hedges, thank you.